When I was little, I liked holding my mother's conch shell to my ear. More than anything, I wanted to stand on the ocean shore and feel the waves against my feet. I grew up on a farm in Pennsylvania, USA. I loved school, graduating top of my class, and I set off for college ready to pursue my dream of being a writer. In my second year, I was required to take a science class, something I hadn't enjoyed at school. However, Mary Skinker, our teacher, brought it alive. I had always wanted to be a writer, but my interest in science grew and grew. I decided to change my study to science. I was one of only 3 women to do so. I was awarded a scholarship to a zoology graduate program at Johns Hopkins University. I spent 6 glorious weeks studying the sea before I got there. My passion was the sea, but the country was suffering from the Great Depression, and jobs with the Bureau of Fisheries were scarce. However, I was asked to write over 50 mini radio programs all about marine life. I was thrilled to be able to write about my love of science. Following the success of the radio show, I began to write my first book. Sadly, the Second World War was underway, and people didn't seem interested in sea life. My next book, The Sea Around Us, was a huge hit though. I tried to simply explain ecology, the relationship between living things and the planet. I was also becoming increasingly aware of the damage pollution was having. In particular, the effect of pesticides on plants and animals, as well as humans. There was a new pesticide being used called DDT. It was seen as a wonder chemical as it killed insects that damaged crops. However, some people became aware that it also killed birds and created resistance in insects. I had been looking for a new project, and this was it. It would be risky because I would be speaking out against big business, government agencies, and farmers who used pesticides. But this problem was too important to ignore. In 1962, my book came out. The title was Silent Spring. The book sparked an environmental movement and spurred President Kennedy into demanding a special scientific report into the safety or otherwise of DDT. My findings were proved correct, and new laws limiting chemical pollution were passed.
Rachel Carson died of cancer in 1964, aged 56. She inspired the next generation of environmentalists and awakened us all to the dangers of invisible pollutants.